Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The People's National Party was forced to defend its ambitious income tax plan on Monday. The party says it is workable and would not require new taxes. The party officials also outlined other proposals for the country should the PNP form the next government. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
Julian Robinson will be expected to make the PNP's $3.5 million tax plan work should the PNP form the next government and he becomes finance minister. So on Monday, he was asked to explain the plan. And chief among the concerns, will this approach require new taxes?
We will fund the commitments that have been made within the existing envelope of the budget, including the projections for growth, without any need to impose any new taxes or burdens on the Jamaican people. In fact, we committed to removing the tax on overtime so that we could put more money in the pockets of those soldiers, policemen, security guards, people who work in our hospitality sector, again, so that it eases the cost of living and gives them an opportunity to spend more on themselves and their families.
So no new taxes according to Mr. Robinson, but that future government would forego a sure source of revenue with this $3.5 million income tax plan, which then has implications for what the government will be able to spend on. Mr. Robinson explained how the government will get back some of this money.
Because it will put more money in the pockets of those who are earning less. And by doing so, those individuals have a higher propensity to consume. So some of those funds which will go into their pockets will be spent back into the economy, and the government will benefit through indirect taxes like GCT.
The PNP's plan was announced minutes after the JLP outlined their tax initiative. And the PNP is adamant their plan is way better.
Our proposal, which is to increase the threshold, means that the people who need it most, everyone will benefit who pays for income tax now, including the man earning 30 to 40 million. But his benefit or her benefit will be no greater than the benefit that the teacher, that the benefit that the police officer, that the benefit that the nurse is getting.
That if somebody is at 3.5 million, the actual increase in take home would be $35,000 per month.
So as far as the PNP is concerned, the income tax plan can work and would start within a few months of the PNP taking charge of government.
Well, we're currently in the middle of a budget year, and I would say the new fiscal year would start April 1st. And so the commitments that have been made would commence certainly in relation to the tax threshold at that time.
But the promises did not stop there. A clean slate also for many Jamaicans who owe money to the government, including student loans.
The People's National Party is giving automatic forgiveness of interest and fees and giving you a moratorium of up to 3 years for you to get your life in order and come back to do the payment. Additionally, we're looking at other types of debt to the government, including GCT, including income tax owed, including property tax owed. Those are areas that we are changing. But the taxman out there would be happy to know that it also includes traffic tickets.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.